spray fan, but I don't know where that is. So I got 5 fans today to show you guys. Except this one is our landlord's, Marie's, and she lives on that side. On the basement, on that side, behind the fridge. That's her kitchen. So today, we have this thing. And we have some plugs here, because I can't just do one. This goes. So first, we show you my Marie's fan. But it's missing a prawn. There's supposed to be 3 rings here. These, that one. And there should be one here, but it's not there. It's now, except it's gone. Plug it in. Plug this in. There we go. Now we have 3 things in it, and we have 5 fans, guys. First, we will talk about Marie's stand fan. First, we have, so we'll show you this fan first. This is it. Nice, great plates. This is where and this is the oscillator thing. And here is the switches. It has a low and a medium and a high. Now let's be showing you low. So we made more room because that, and I need it, and I have 5 fans. So that's it oscillate. Now it's not make it oscillate. So nope. Medium is oscillating. Next, I have my Honeywell. I have my Honeywell. Low, but this one doesn't oscillate. But it is cool. See? So when you want to play a game, you can do it like air conditioner. So cool. Cool Honeywell. Well, it doesn't have an oscillating switch. Neither of the switches for it. It doesn't oscillate. So, yeah. Medium. Put it in the camera. High. Cool. Now we have my tall fan. We'll plug in right now. pencils. And now this one is on high. 1 on 1, but it doesn't, but it's oscillating. 2, oscillating. 3, not oscillating. And this fan is about 5 years old. Now it's 1, and it oscillates. 2, it doesn't oscillate. And 3, it doesn't oscillate. Show you my box fan, and the last fan for this time. And do you see that remote on that side? We're gonna do that fan last. So first, let's plug the now let's plug in it. My window fan. It's almost like a box fan. It's almost like a box fan. Is that a window fan? But it is like a, but it looks like a box. My window fan, guys. Show you. It only has 2 speed and it doesn't oscillate. That one doesn't make it. 1, 2. And there's what's at the back too. The final fan is this. No. Plug it in. I make these in case I hear electricity. And this one, I know where the cap is, but I don't know where it is. And this blade is not the Renegade blade. Not the Renegade. 3, 2, 1. Let's do that. Now, I'm trying to find the blade. Wait. I can't find it, guys, but I tried and I didn't. Now, guys, thank you so much for doing this. So, bye, guys. welcome back to my channel. You know, gaming, healing culture. But you know what? I love this song.